Good morning students. Today I am going to start chapter 5, that is presentation visual effect. So this chapter is very interesting because in this chapter you will learn about how to make PowerPoint presentation. Okay. PowerPoint is a powerful, easy to use presentation graphics software program which allows you to create professional looking electronic slideshow. So children, see, I am also doing a PowerPoint presentation here. See, I have made some presentation here, I have made some slides and I am presenting in front of you. This is also a presentation. So in presentation, it is an effective way of providing information in a visual manner. Visual manner means you will be able to see what I am presenting. Okay? A presentation includes various elements like text, list, table, image, graphics, elements, sounds and video. So in this presentation, I made a very simple presentation because I am just teaching you, but you can include text, you can include videos, you can include audio as well as you can include pictures also. Okay? PowerPoint has various views in which you can create, organize and preview a presentation. So today I am just going to tell you about the views in PowerPoint. I am not going to show you how to create slide, but I am just going to tell you about the views in PowerPoint. Okay? Now let us see what are the views. There are normal views. In normal view, there are three working areas, right? Normal view is the default view. What do you mean by default view? Whenever you open PowerPoint, you see normal view. Okay? In normal view, there are three working areas. One is slide pane, one is slideshow and one is note pane. Children, this is slideshow, okay? And one is note pane. In normal view, it is, as I told you, it is the default view. There are three working areas in normal view. One is slide pane. It displays the thumbnail view of all the slides in a presentation. So thumbnail means a very small description of the slides that you have made will be displayed in slide pane. Let me show you. This is your normal view. Okay? In normal view, the slide pane means the slides which are there in left hand side. Okay? So that one is the normal pane. Then comes slideshow. Slideshow view shows the large view of the slide. So this is your large slideshow view. And there's a note pane. It displays the note at the bottom. So children, you see, this is your note pane. Okay? At the bottom of your page, you can add anything, any text, title or any note you can add at the bottom of the page. That is your note pane. Now next is the slide shutter view. The slide shutter view, it is the view where you can see all the slides in a thumbnail form. I told you thumbnail form means you see the description of all the slide in one slide. Okay? It is an exclusive view of all the slides in thumbnail form. Once the presentation is done, slide shutter view gives an overall picture, making it easy to rearrange. Suppose you have created slides, okay? You have created suppose 10 slides. So before showing those slides to the audience, if you want to check, okay, if you want to arrange the slides, then you can click on slide shutter view. Like here, I am giving an example of slide shutter view. As you can see, the small thumbnail of the slides. Okay, so if you want to arrange those slides, like you see slide numbers also 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to rearrange it, you can do so by using slide shutter view. Right? And now next view is the outline view. In an outline view, a text outline of the presentation can be seen in the outline pane and the active slide in the center. I'll show you outline view also. This is your active text, it is in the center and whatever is there in your slide will be displayed in your outline view. Children, just see at the left hand side, you see in the outline view, you see all the description of the text that are there in this particular slide. So, this is known as outline view. Now, the next view is the slide master view. It allows you to quickly modify the slides and its layout in your presentation. What does it mean? Suppose you have made a presentation and you are going to present it to the audience, okay? This view is known as slide sorter view. Sometimes what happens, suppose you wanted to modify, you wanted to change some text or some images in your presentation quickly. That time you can do so by using slide master view. Have a look, this is slide master view. Suppose if you want to make some changes quickly, then you can edit using slide master view. In slide master view, you see all these slides, okay? One of the important view in master view group is slide master view. I told you about slide master is very, very important because it helps you to quickly change or quickly modify your text or your images in your presentation, right? The last and the most important view is known as the slideshow view. This is slideshow view. It is used to deliver your presentations to the audience. That's what I am doing right now. I am delivering my presentation, my speech using PowerPoint. This is my slideshow view. The slideshow view is used to deliver your presentation and it displays all the slides in the presentation one by one. This is very, very important. I am displaying, I am delivering my speech, I am showing you my slides one by one. This is called slideshow view. Okay. Now comes animations. Without animations, your PowerPoint is of no use. Animations are very, very important in PowerPoint. It is the movement of any of the elements like text, image or shapes on the slides. Okay, in animation you can move either text, either image or shape, or can be graphics also. Okay, to enhance the visual appearance by applying custom animation effects to individual object. In animation, you can use custom animations to enhance the appearance of your text. Can be text, can be picture, can be bullet points, can be title, or can be graphics also. Okay. Now, let me read. In PowerPoint, animation implies movement of any of the element like text. Sometimes you see in an advertisement, in ad also you see, so your text will be moving, flying, your images will be flying, moving, rotating, okay. Those are all custom animation, right. You can enhance the visual appeal by applying custom animation effect to individual object. You can give animations to individual object. It's all up to you, whichever text or object you wanted to enhance, okay, you can do so by applying custom animation. So, in PowerPoint, animations are grouped in 4 different categories. That is very, very important. Their animations are categorized into 4 different categories. They are entrance, emphasis, exit and motion part. These are 4 different animations. So, in my next class, I am going to elaborate, I am going to describe you and I am going to show you how these 4 types of animation works. So, entrance itself says that you are going to, the text or the pictures are going to enter into your slide, okay. Emphasis means you are going to emphasis on the particular, you are going to give emphasis to a particular object, text, graphics, or can be bullet points also. You are going to emphasis on that. If that topic is very, very important, then you can choose animation called emphasis, that is number 2. Exit. Exit means if you want to remove your text from a presentation, if you want to just show and you want to remove it, in that case you can use exit animation. And the last one is the motion part. In the motion part, you can just show the movement of your text or your picture or your or graphics or object in your presentation. So these are 4 different kinds of animations. So in my next class, I am going to show you how does this all 4 animation works. Okay, thank you student. Next time, in next class, please be ready with this chapter, the same chapter, page number 53. I will be discussing more on the animation, which is very, very important also, and which is very, very interesting also. Okay, thank you.